Paul here, and I just wanted to explain in a little bit more detail the value of using Advertising Boost and the Advertising Boost program. And in this example, I'm going to use just one of the many giveaways that you can issue to your customers and clients using Advertising Boost. So one of the vacations that you can give away is a 5-night luxury vacation at a Mayan Riviera beach resort, and that's Cancun, Mexico. So obviously they have lots of restaurants and bars, swimming pools and all that type of stuff, and it's valued at a whopping $1,485. Now you can give this away totally for free to your clients and customers. So let's make that very, very clear. This is for the accommodation at the resort. And so it's a huge value. And if you look at some of those photos, really awesome accommodation. So what's the value? So let's say that you gave one away per day to a customer or client. So over 30 days, you would have given away $44,550 worth of vacations. I mean, how awesome is that? Now, Advertising Boost program is $49 per month to belong to, which is nothing compared to the amount of vacations that you can give away. So do you think you would have happy customers who think you are the best company ever? Yeah, you sure do. You would have customers just praising you because you're giving them these free vacations. And remember, you can give away unlimited vouchers. So in this example, I used one vacation, one example, and giving that away once a day over 30 days. But remember, there, as it stands, there's about 13 of these awesome vacations you can give away, from Orlando to there's Thailand ones, there's Las Vegas ones, there's cruise ships that are coming online very soon. They might already be online by the time you watch this video. So there's a whole variety of vacations that you can give away. So can you imagine the tens of thousands of dollars worth of vacations you could give away to people for free in just the space of 1 month using Advertising Boost? So that's what I really wanted to explain. Just put it in real simple, plain terms that you can understand and see. So if you haven't checked out Advertising Boost yet, there'll be a link in the description of this video. Go click that link and check it out now.